All right, so the next option here is I told us that I'm going to show you how to set, take profit and stop losses, in your trades. These are very powerful tools, okay? Stop loss, in fact, stop loss is a very powerful tool that will prevent you from losing your account. Stop loss is a very powerful tool that the exchange, it is automated. You don't need to be there to monitor your chart from night till the next morning, or from morning till now till night. Stop loss enables you to save your account from getting liquidated. All right, so it is a very powerful tool, and you are always advised to use stop loss whenever you want to enter a trade. Okay, so now I will start with the spot option. Stop loss can be used on both spot trading and futures trading. It is not only on spot trading. Now, before I go to the stop loss, let me show you an example. This is an example of a trade I took some time ago. Okay, now I bought Bitcoin. Okay, this is on the Bitcoin chart here. As you can see, the label here. I bought Bitcoin at this entering price at around 22. Okay, 22,000, approximately 200. Okay, because on this longer position 2 here, the middle here, okay, is where my entry is. Okay, which is what I've labeled here. This is my entry level at this point. Okay, and then when I bought Bitcoin here, what happened? It started going in my favor. As you can see, gradually it started going in my favor, and with the hope that this will continue to go up. This is a spot trade. I was hoping to sell that same Bitcoin at 24,000. That is if it continues to go up. But what happened? It went up a bit to around 22,700, and what happened? This dropped drastically. Okay, the market dropped the way it did right here. Okay, with this kind of speed that it dropped here. Now, this automatically hit my stop loss. On the risk reward ratio that I've put here, this is a 1:7 risk reward ratio. It means that if this trade has gone in my favor, I would have been making around 8.2% in this trade. Okay, I would have been making around 8.2% in this trade, risking just 1%. All right, so when the market now reverses and went against me, what happened? I lose a part of my trading capital. So instead of going to sell at 24,000 as I have projected, okay, it went against me and it hit my stop loss. All right, now the advantage of stop loss is that it will not give you an opportunity, because you still have some money left in your account to trade more, okay, to buy more, or to equally see an opportunity to make bigger profit. All right, so when you are projecting, setting your stop loss or taking out a trade, you are always looking for opportunity to always make your win bigger than the losses. One of the things I've been a victim of severally is that when I enter trade, I stay in a losing trade longer than I stay in a profitable trade. Why is that? When a trade is going against me, I'll be sitting there saying it will go in my favor. It will go in my favor. I don't want to lose money at all. It will go in my favor. And it will go in my favor. It will continue to go down. I will not put stop loss. It will continue to go down. I'm saying minus $200. I am still watching. It will go in my favor. I'm very optimistic that this market will reverse from here. I'm saying minus $500. I am still very optimistic that the market will go in my favor. No stop loss. No need to put stop loss. It is going minus $9,900 or thereabout until it goes ahead and eat up the whole of my trading capital. That is when my eye will open and it will be like magic and all of that. But with the use of this stop loss, remember I've lost some money here. And what happened? The market dropped the way it did, okay? It dropped down to what you are seeing here, all right? To this level where it is right here. And then I spotted another opportunity to make bigger money in the market. Okay, what happened? I re-entered the trade again somewhere around here. And this time around, I am going to buy more Bitcoin than what I bought, okay, than what I bought when the market was somewhere around here, right? If I did not set stop loss, let's say I bought Bitcoin, maybe I've put in a $10,000, $20,000. You know this kind of drop here, okay? The drop from down here would have just eaten the whole of my money. And at this point, I would have sold out of fear and all of that and the rest. Because it is spot trading, you still have your Bitcoin, but maybe you would have sold out of fear and you would have lost 20, let's say 80, 90% of the money you entered that trade with. But now, because I was ready to lose part of my money here, I now got opportunity to enter and make more money. And this time around, okay, this time around, I entered this trade somewhere around here. As you can see, this is my entering point around here. So I entered this trade somewhere around there with the hope to make what? The risk reward ratio this time around. Remember, the other risk reward ratio is a 1-to-7 risk reward ratio. But here, I am having an opportunity to make more money, okay, with a 1-to-9 risk reward ratio. With a 1-to-9 risk reward ratio. Now, if I decide to still target the same level, okay, if I decide to still target the same level as this, here I wanted to sell at 24,000. Now, if I move this up to say, okay, I want to still sell at that same 24,000, it means that I stand a chance to make, this is a risk reward ratio of 1-to-13, okay? It means that I'm making 13 times whatsoever amount of money that I've risked here. Okay, and if this trade plays out, which because it's spot trading is going to actually take time, and it did play that, okay, it means that I would have made money to recover from the previous loss that I actually incurred. All right, so but if it went against me here again, I would have still taken this loss, because here I'm risking like 2% of the capital to make around this time around I'm going to make around 27%, as against the 8% initially that I wanted to make. So here, this trade would have given me 27% return on my investment. So you see here that here I would have gotten opportunity to make 27% as against what the 8% initially that I wanted to make. And this trade actually plays out. And because it plays out, I have recovered from what I was ready to lose, okay? And I made some profit. So the whole of this drama is, or the whole of this story is that it is very necessary that you use stop loss in your trade. Be ready to lose money. This trade is a battle between bears and bulls. Just like you are sitting on this other side of the computer trying to make money, some other person is equally there, okay, on the other side to equally make money as well. So it will not always go in your favor. Trades will not always go in your favor. That is why you will always want to lose lower than what you want to make. Okay, always look for opportunity to lose lower than what you want to make. Now, when you go to the BYBIT exchange, or this is on the spot trading interface. Okay, so once you go to trade, you go to spot trading. On the app, you just see the option where it says trade. That is your spot trading option. Here, okay, where we are, we have the spot, and then if I want to buy or sell, you have limit, okay, you have market, and then you have the other option, which is the take profit and stop loss. Okay, the TP stands for take profit, the stop loss stands for what? The SL stands for stop loss. Okay, so let's assume that I bought Bitcoin here, or I want to buy Bitcoin here, and I've done my analysis, okay, on TradingView. I've set up my risk reward ratio. I'm ready what I want to lose, what I want to make. What I will now do is to come back here, okay, and buy. Right? If it is limit, if for instance I'm waiting for the market to drop to 26,600, I'll go ahead and type in 26,600. Remember, I'm on the limit option, and then buy. Enter the quantity of Bitcoin I want to buy, okay, and buy. Now, when I buy, the next thing is to now set an automation to sell that market, whether I am there or not. Okay, whether I'm there or not. Now, because it is spot trade, it can take days. Remember what I said about time frames, right? If you are going to be trading with on the 8-hour time frame, you are limited to the number of trades you can take in a month. All right, so I'll go ahead and then set my entering price, because I'm using limit order. And once this is triggered, the next thing is to come back and equally go to the sell option. All right, when I come to the sell option, I want to go ahead and sell at, let's say I've bought now and I want to sell at 30,000 for instance. Okay, so I'll go ahead and type in sell at 30,000, then select the quantity of the Bitcoin I want to sell. Okay, now the same thing I was explaining to you when using the conditional order. Remember, when you click on the take profit and stop loss option, there is a trigger price. Okay, there is a trigger price here. So the trigger price, if I want to sell at 30,000, okay, I'll go ahead and put 30,000 here. Then the order price will be, let's say, I can now say it should be at 30,000 and maybe $20 or thereabout, 30,002 or 30,003 or whatsoever. Okay, it has to be slightly above this because I'm going to sell. If I'm going to buy, then this has to be slightly above this and all of that. Then enter the quantity you want to sell and go ahead and click on sell, and this will be placed on the order book here for you and be pending. Okay, it will be pending when the price hits whatever you specified here, and that trade will be executed automatically. So stop loss, whether you are here or not, it is meant to protect your account, okay, from losing the whole account to the other party. All right, so that is how you use that for the spot trading option. When we go to the futures trading option, okay, when we go to the futures trading option, you have that option when you are opening a trade, okay. To set stop loss and take profit, let's say I want to go ahead and enter this market here. You see where it says take profit and stop loss. So you need to go ahead and check on it or click on it if you are using the app. Then you will now decide to set your stop loss for a long position or your stop loss for a short position. Okay, you can decide to set your stop loss for a long position or for a short position, and then you go ahead and select, okay, put the prices you want to set or the percentage, use the percentage slider here, and you click on confirm. And after that, you can decide to open either a long or short position on a particular trade that you are currently on. Okay, so that is how simple it is to use the stop loss option on the BYBIT, futures trading and spot trading in option. Okay, so always make sure in all of your trading, always make sure that you are leveraging on the stop loss option. Okay, don't say it is not possible that you will trade this market from let's say month to month, day to day, year to year without losing money. Even the expert, even those who are sharing screenshots with you of the money they have made, how they have been able to buy the world in trading, they lose money. If they show you how much they are losing, in their trades and all of that, you fall sick. Okay, so the fact that we always show you the good aspect of it online and showing you, the results of the trade, it doesn't mean that they are not losing. Professional traders do lose money. That is the reason for stop loss. It is only when you are foolish enough and you don't want to use stop loss that you get your account liquidated. And when that happens, you'll get sick. If you are someone like me that gets sick when I lose a trade and all of that, you will get sick. Okay, you will get sick. So always just make it a part of you that you must always set a percentage that you are ready to lose whenever you want to carry out a trade. All right, any question as regards this?